Welcome to Trader Versus, the show where I, Brandon, challenge another trader to analyze one single pair of the guest's choosing. The guest trader will go first and show their analysis, and I will go after. The goal isn't to see who is better or who got it right or wrong, but to showcase the different styles, outlooks, and beliefs of different traders. Full disclosure, we will be right and we will be wrong. The point is, we will be on the record. Instead of thinking about how much money someone makes, why not try to learn how they analyze a pair and what it is they understand about what they see in the markets? There will be things that we can all learn from each other within this series. Join me as I venture on this journey to see the different styles of many traders from all around the world. Ask questions, subscribe to never miss when another episode drops, and like the video if you got value from it. Let us begin.